Over the last year and a half of having an online shop, I have started to love making sticker sheets at home with my printer and Cricut. Hey guys, I'm Jade, a digital artist and illustrator, and today I thought that I would share my process of making sticker sheets. So let's get started. To make my sticker sheets, I first use Procreate to design the individual stickers. I use Procreate for all of my digital drawings and stickers. It's easy to use, so I do recommend using it. So I've already made my designs, and I normally like to do them all in the same canvas as it makes the process a whole lot easier, and I can quickly see which designs I've already drawn. The sticker sheet that I am showing you today is a ducky and frog sticker sheet. So I had various frogs and different ducks. So once I've drawn all of the stickers and I have all of them ready, I am going to save them so I can put together the full sheet in Photoshop. I am going to make sure that I only have one design visible, and then go to the Actions tab at the top, and under the Share settings, select PNG and share or save to whatever device you'll be using Photoshop on. Note that I am sharing these files as PNGs with no background. This will make sure that the background for each sticker is transparent. Now let's open Photoshop and take a look at how I actually make the sticker sheet itself. So first, let's look at my canvas size. I use a 6.5 inches by 4.8 inches or 1462 by 1950 pixels. Then we can look at the design that I like to use for every sticker sheet that I make. I like to have certain elements on them, and these are my logo on the top left corner, the name or title in the top middle, and the product number or SKU number in the top right. I add this in case I want to make more products or sticker sheets related to a specific design, and is also good for making sure that you have a better system for keeping inventory. Then on the bottom I have my website and where you can find me on social media. You don't really have to include any of these elements if you don't want to, but I like to have a cohesive look across all of my sticker sheets. Now with the basic design elements in place, let's add the sticker designs. Once they're transferred from Procreate, I find the folder that they are located in and then select each one and drag and drop them into Photoshop. Then I'm going to rasterize each sticker layer. I do this by selecting all of the layers, select the bottom design, and then hold Shift to select the top design, and then right click on these layers, then moving down to the option Rasterize Layer. So now on to arranging the designs on the sticker sheet. I like to turn off all of my layers and normally work from top to bottom, or which stickers I feel like. So let's start with the ducky and little frog and work through all of the designs. Now with the stickers in place, I like to put these designs into a group. To do this, just select them how we did before, so select the bottom design and then hold Shift to select the top design, and then press Ctrl and G on your keyboard. Next we are going to work on the sticker outlines. To do this, we're going to double click on the group so that this box pops up. Then select the option on the right that says Stroke. You will see a black outline appear around your designs. Then go over to the slider and just adjust it until you have your desired sticker outline size. By doing your outlines this way, it will ensure that your designs will have an even outline around the whole of each individual sticker. Now, at first, I will keep the outline black so that I can double check that none of the stickers are touching, and adjust the design placement however needed. Once all the stickers are in their final place, I just double click on the group again so that this same box pops up. Go to Stroke and then press this little black box and change the colour to white. Next, I'm going to do the background for the sticker sheet. I want it to be a soft cream colour with little pastel dots. The final step is to save our files to use in the Cricut Design Space. You're going to need two different files for making sticker sheets. The first file we're going to make is the background. So I'm going to turn off the sticker sheet designs group and then go to the File tab and click Save As, or press Ctrl, Shift and S on your keyboard. Then name your file to whatever you would like and make sure to select the format as PNG. Once that is saved, we're going to do the same, but this time with just the stickers and the outlines. So just turn on the sticker group and turn off the background, and then again save this as a PNG. Note that I'm sharing these files as PNGs with no background. This will make sure that the background for each sticker is transparent, and it will save you a step later on in Cricut Design Space. Now let's open Cricut Design Space and take a look at how I set up my files. In the top left corner of Design Space, click the Canvas button. This will open a new canvas for us to use. We then want to upload our designs into this canvas, so click on Upload from the list of options on the left side, and on this new page, click on Upload Image. Now you should have the option to either drag and drop your files or browse for them. I like to just drag and drop them since I can find my files quite easily. On the next page you are given the option to remove the background, but we don't need to do anything here because we saved and uploaded a PNG file with a transparent background. So just go ahead and click apply and continue. Then you want to select flat graphic so that it keeps your design intact and perfect for print and cut. Then on the final page, just click the upload button. Now we're just going to repeat these same steps for the background layer. With both files now uploaded into Cricut Design Space, the next step is to arrange our layers and prepare them for printing and cutting. With the sticker layer on top, you can select both layers and then click arrange from the toolbar at the top and then select center. Then just move your sticker layer down to where it is within the sticker sheet background. When you're happy with the position, go ahead and put the layers into a group. Then select all of your layers and change the size to 4.8 by 6.5 inches. Now with all of your files selected, we want to rotate it by 90 degrees so that we can fit a second sheet on our page. To get the second sheet, select your group and select duplicate or Ctrl and D on your keyboard. Now just move the second below the first sheet and then select both groups on this canvas and click attach from the menu in the bottom right corner. Finally, click on the make button in the top right corner. You'll see a preview on the page, and if everything looks good, then go ahead and click continue. Now we can start setting up our printer and Cricut. At this point, make sure your Cricut is turned on. Now back to Cricut Design Space. Before sending your files to print, you want to make sure to wait until the Cricut is fully connected to your device. You'll know the Cricut is ready when the Cricut's cut settings appear like this. With the Cricut ready to go, we're going to click on Send to Printer, and on the pop-up, make sure that your printer is selected. I'm using the Epson EcoTech 2720, and then I keep Add Bleed turned on and turn on System Dialog. Then we can click Print. Now, before I show you my settings, let's prepare the printer. For sticker and sticker sheets, I use matte vinyl sticker paper, so just put your sheets into your printer. Now back on Cricut Design Space. In the System Dialog, in the pop-up box, here are the settings that I have found work best for me. Under Preferences, make sure that paper type is clicked as Epson Photo Quality Inkjet and that the quality is set to high. So with the settings ready, we can now send our sticker sheets to print. While the stickers are printing, we can set the Cricut for cutting. So back on Cricut Design Space, I set my base material to washi tape. You can find the setting by clicking on Browse All Materials and typing it into the search bar. You can also favourite it so that you don't have to keep looking it up. When your stickers are done printing, we can prepare for the final step. For this step, you're going to need your cutting mat, your printed stickers, a squeegee and some tape. On your sticker sheet, find the top left corner that has a little arrow pointing up. This will show which is your top part of your sheet of paper. You want to line that corner up with the top left corner on the edge of the grid of your mat. For extra security, just run your squeegee over the paper, making sure that it is properly stuck down on your mat, and then secure your printed stickers down with a bit of tape on each side of the paper. This just helps to make sure that the paper isn't going to be moving around on the mat when it is cutting. So, with the mat ready to go, we can load it into the Cricut for cutting. When loading your mat, make sure that you're sliding into the notches. There is one on each side. Then press the blinking load button and the Cricut will roll in part of the mat. Then press the blinking go button. The Cricut will then start scanning the registrations marks and you can watch your stickers be cut. Now that the cutting is done, you can now unload your mat and remove the stickers. Now, I like to take a pair of scissors and cut each of the corners off so it's a lot easier when I use a paper cutter to cut the sticker sheets down. However, you can just use scissors to cut them down too if you don't have a paper cutter. So, now you have a couple of sticker sheets to use or to share with others. If you found my tutorial to be helpful or if it made you feel more confident in creating your own sticker sheets, please like the video as it really helps out, and subscribe to see any future art related videos that I will do in the future. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!